Hello everybody, and I know it's been like forever since I last uploaded, so here we are. This is how to make homemade ice cream. So first off, you're going to want to combine 1 cup of half and half and 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'll be right back when I do that right now. So I poured the half and half, and you got to be very careful. I probably need a funnel right now. You got to be very careful pouring it in. Make sure that all of it gets in the bag. Okay, so now all that is in the bag. Now we're gonna get the 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 and 2. So once you've done that, you're gonna wanna get half a teaspoon of vanilla. Not half a tablespoon, that's way too much vanilla. So, all right, so you should probably pour it over there, but be very careful when pouring vanilla because it comes out super fast. So that is the 1 teaspoon of half a teaspoon of vanilla. So now you're gonna seal that. Now you're actually gonna want to seal that. And so once it's sealed, you're gonna want to get a larger Ziploc. You're gonna want to get a larger Ziploc and get some ice and get some salt. So you're gonna want to get 1/3 cup of salt. You're gonna pour this. This is special ice cream salt. So as you can see, it's not a fine powder. As you can see, it's not really a fine powder. It's more like grains. So it's very specific rock salt. So you're gonna need rock salt, not any normal salt. Gonna pour that in there. Then you're gonna get some ice. Well, we've been out here for a while, so all the ice is sticking together. Okay, so more. You need even more after that. You're gonna need a lot of ice. That's why it's a big bowl. Your hands might get cold, obviously. So, yeah, that's ice. And so I did 3 2/3 of ice. Then you want to seal it. And your hands are probably wet, so it's going to be pretty hard. You're going to want to So you're going to want to make this airtight. And then once it's airtight, and you got to make sure that's airtight, like there's no air in it. Then you want to throw it in here, like beautiful. Beautiful. You're gonna want to seal that, and it's probably gonna be wet. So then you'll seal that and shake it, and keep shaking it for a good like 7-8 minutes. Okay, so I just shook it for a good 7 to 10 minutes, and it's really nice and hard. That's when you can tell is when it gets real hard, like it's no longer liquid. And then you can grab a spoon and just eat it straight from the bag, or you can put it in a bowl. Your choice. You can also add toppings. And that's the end of the video.